Hello and welcome as a part of the test team of WordProof. First of all, I'm so excited and thankful to have you as one of the testers of this WordPress plugin to timestamp your content in the EOS.io blockchain. This tutorial guides you through every step of the process, and as blockchain could be new to you, or at least EOS.io could be new to you, this tutorial has quite some steps. I will guide you through all of them, and of course there are timestamps in the video if you want to skip parts. But if you're new to EOS.io, I advise you to go through all the steps. And I'll keep the tutorial part in smaller than 10 minutes. First of all, we will install the WordProof plugin. Second, if you don't have an EOS.io account, which probably is the case, you can create one for free on the Telos blockchain. We will do that, and after you did that, you need a wallet. You need to install a wallet at your computer. Best is to do it at a desktop computer. So first, install the plugin, create a blockchain account, and then to use the account, we will use the Scatter wallet, as it will work with every EOS.io blockchain. After we did that, we can do the first timestamp, and after that, a word of thank you. And that's all for this video. In 10 minutes, I will show you everything you need to know to get you going.
Before we get started, make sure you have the WordProof zip ready. It's the plugin and you can upload it to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, we can upload and install the new plugin, the WordProof plugin. Add new. Upload a plugin, drag and drop it to the upload button, activate the plugin, and you'll see directly that there's a new button here, the WordProof configuration button. Here's your welcome video. I will not unveil yet what's there, but please have a look at it. And there are several options. If you have an EOS.io account and Scatter installed, you can start timestamping right away. If you don't have an EOS.io account, then let's create one together. We have two options, one on the EOS mainnet and one on the Telos mainnet. On the EOS mainnet, an account costs you around $1 or $2. On the Telos mainnet, the account is for free. For now, we will stick with creating an account on the free Telos blockchain. And after that, we will install the generic EOS.io wallet Scatter, in which we can import the account that we create. And after that, we are able to do time stamping on the, in this case, Telos blockchain. Let's create the free Telos account. Here you see the Create a Telos Account tab. An account name has 12 characters on EOS, and it should be from A to Z and numbers 1 to 5. For example, bus example 55. We have an owner public key and an active key. That's a way to keep your account secure. We work with active keys and owner keys, and public keys and private keys. This information, please keep it on a secure place. Could be anything, a text editor, whatever. Now we don't work with money, but in the case you work with money and other valuable assets in your wallet, your private keys could give somebody access to the assets you have in that wallet. So handle it with care. In this case, I will copy and paste them all to a text editor. And it's important, once you have some things of value, assets of value, then please keep it in a locker or on a safe place. In this case, we will work with the active private key. We will import that to a wallet, and that gives us access to our blockchain account. Or from this moment, we've created our Telos account on the Telos blockchain. To show you this, let's search for my account. Here we see we have one Telos account. And with this account, we can timestamp our content on the blockchain. The next thing we need is a wallet, an EOS.io wallet. In this case we work with Scatter, as it works with both EOS and Telos. Download the Scatter wallet only from this website. Once you did it, you can open it. The first time you work with the blockchain wallet, you have to set up the wallet so you could import your account. As you could use your blockchain wallet to have access to a lot of valuable assets, it's very important to protect it well. In this case, this is a seed of 12 words, which enables you on a later moment to back up your wallet when you lose access to it. So the same here as with the private keys, copy and paste it to a safe place and print it, put it in a locker and delete it from your computer. Okay, ready to go. Scatter is set up. What we will do first is import our private key, the active private key. We will import an existing key as we already created it from the WordPress dashboard. Import the private key as a text. Copy the active private key and paste it here. We import it. And what we will need to do, we need to add the Telos network here. So we go back, go to Settings, Networks, enter the password, and we will add another network, the Telos mainnet. It's added now to our networks. Here you see it, EOS mainnet and Telos mainnet. From this moment we see here, linked to our key, one linked account. The boss example number 55. From this moment the Scatter wallet is set up. The account is all set up. I can go to the dashboard. And I can choose on what blockchain we want to timestamp our content. In our case it's Telos. Save the changes. And now we've done the settings, so we can go and timestamp a post. Let's see, I have a WordPress article here which is not timestamped. And immediately it will ask me via pop-up from Scatter if I want to log in with my blockchain account, with the Telos account. And that's what I want to do. And after you've logged in, you can trigger the timestamp process at any moment. Best is to do it after an update or a save of a post. Timestamp the post. Here we see the hash of the title and the content. We see a link to the article and our username. Perfect. Allow. And here we see success, link to the proof. From here we can go to the blockchain certificate, but there are multiple ways to get there. I'll click here. And from this article we see, hey, this is the content, this is the moment of posting, this is the moment of the timestamp with a link to the blockchain where we can see our hash, exactly this one, in the blockchain with a link to our article. Hereby we can prove the authenticity of the content we've created. And the other way to reach it, if we go to the post, there's a link under the article to view the blockchain certificate, bringing us to the same place. You can adjust the text to click on from the settings page. Here below you see the text you just clicked on. You can put here anything you want. So, what did we do? From A to Z, we installed the WordPress plugin WordProof. We configured it, we created a Telos account, we installed the Scatter wallet, and from there we did our first timestamp with the Scatter wallet in this case, Telos blockchain. This is from A to Z the installation of WordProof and doing first timestamp. Quite a few steps, but we did a lot of things. We created a blockchain account, we did our first interactions with the blockchain, And are you a developer and willing to learn more about blockchain development? Blockchain is often open source as WordPress is. Please click on the Learn Blockchain Development tab, as it will offer you a great way to get up to speed with blockchain development. And guess what? For the WordProof users, it's totally free to get you started. So don't forget to look at the Learn Blockchain Development tab too.
So that's it. In less than 10 minutes, we did all the steps from installing to creating a blockchain account to importing it in your wallet, setting your wallet up, and doing your first timestamp with WordProof on the EOS or Telos blockchain. Looking forward to hear your valuable feedback, and let's make this an awesome plugin, which we will release halfway June before the WordCamp conference, the WordCamp Europe conference. Thanks, and looking forward to your feedback.